How to deposit or withdraw on OKX Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit or withdraw on OKX Wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First thing first, you want to open up your OKX Wallet. Now at the home page you can see trade option here. However, you want to tap on the little dot icon that you can see at the top left corner, and there under manage assets you can see the option that says deposit and withdraw. So in order to deposit, you can simply tap on deposit first, and here now it's not giving me the access to this page, but it'll give you an option to choose the token or the cryptocurrency that you wish to deposit, right? Then you want to select it and it'll give you the address. You want to either screenshot the QR code and share the QR code, or you can copy the address manually and send it, and you can use it on your other external wallet. You can paste the particular address or scan the QR code and deposit it or send it to your OKX wallet. Similarly, in order to withdraw, you can tap on withdraw, and then here first now it's asking me to verify, so remember to verify. However, once you tap on withdraw and if you are verified, it'll give you an option to withdraw, right? So what you want to do is you can simply go ahead and get the wallet address or the wallet QR code that you wish to withdraw it to. Then once you get it, you want to paste it manually, or you can scan the QR code and then go ahead and withdraw it. So this is how you can deposit or withdraw easily on OKX wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.